Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today we have a home that is a short drive to the sand.
Absolutely.
Over in the popular Lynn Haven area. Love the park systems, great schools over there. Can you tell us more about this great deal over in that area?
Sure. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse. It's a perfect starter home.
Okay.
Or even, it could be a retirement home too, but really that starter home, the price point, the space is just enough for a cozy living environment. And that there is a master on bottom and there's one upstairs, so it's perfect.
Master on bottom is ideal, and $170 price point.
Yes.
You cannot beat that.
No.
So the value is in the price point, I think. Great location.
Absolutely. It's right located near 77, right around from the grocery stores, the Walmart,
Everything you need.
Yep.
Okay. So if you want to check out this property, this 2-bedroom little townhome in Lynn Haven area, please give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
That's right. And it's so close to the sand, but the price is easier. If you want more information, look in the description below, click the link for the listing and get all the details.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't forget to ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on future deals like this one.